Good evening, happy Saturday evening. Saturday night, I did a night shift last night, tired, so we're going to have a quick, easy tea. And this is actually one of my subscribers has asked me to show them how I do real chips in my Ninja. So I'm using red potato. My favourite potato, they're like a creamy texture, make brilliant chips. Waitrose British Red Lady potatoes, but you can get any variety of red potato, but you can basically use King Edward's, any potato you want to your preference. These are not particularly big, so it's not fantastic, you're not going to get whacking great chips, but I kind of like that. They cook. You want your chips to be all about the same size, so you get an effective, even cook. So just finished peeling these two, just about peel this one. I do own a potato peeler. I actually prefer it for carrots and parsnips. I grew up in a Yorkshire village. There was only ever a vegetable knife, so I'm afraid I'm very much used to using a vegetable knife when I do my peeling. Doing homemade chips in the Ninja, or in any air fryer I would imagine, is a two-step process really. You need to get a little bit of the starch out of your potato. So what I'm going to do is take you through exactly how I do them and how I get a good finish on the chip. So I have a bowl of cold water waiting. I'm just going to chip these up very quickly, get them to soak in the bowl of water for around about 15 to 30 minutes. It depends on, at least 15 I would say though, to get the starch out of them. You don't want them to, this is very quick and makeshift. But you know, they're meant to look homemade. These are not frozen chips. So I'm trying to get them round about the same thickness between them. As I say, I'm going to leave them there for 15 minutes. Then my next stage will be I dry them in kitchen paper. And then I just lightly toss them in olive oil, and I mean very lightly, 1 tablespoonful or even less than that, just the whole of the chips. They then go into the air fryer. Or a lot of people watching calories, watching their weight, not wanting to use a lot of oils, you can just spray them with the fry light. And it says nothing artificial, extra virgin. Yeah, it's good. I have used it, but I can't get away from the fact that I like my olive oil. So I'm going to go tonight with the olive oil, but you can use vegetable oils, whatever is your preference. But they do need just that little toss, and then I will season them with a little sprinkle of salt as they go into that basket. So that's about it for now. See you in 15 minutes. Well, we're back. 15 minutes has passed. They've just been sat there soaking, getting the starch out of them. This is just plain water. There's no salt in. If you salt the water, you don't get the starch out in the same way. So it's just plain, simple water. Let's get them. We're getting them out of here. We're just going to give them a nice quick dry. Good old kitchen roll. Just get rid of that water. So just there, spread them out. You want them as dry as you can get them. Yeah. While I'm thinking about it, while they're just soaking, this is a shout out for let's see, Carol Ann. She has asked me how much the Ninja is in the UK. We paid £179 for this. This is the dual zone Ninja. 2 baskets. I would be lost without this. Tonight it's doing our tea all in 1 unit, so I don't have to use the oven. It's so economical at a time when electricity is so expensive. This will save you a lot of money. So I can't speak for anywhere else. We paid £179. I have seen it on offer. I think it was a Black Friday or something for about £159. So it's a case of if you're interested in this particular model, look around. But there's lots of good air fryers on the market, but I do really love the dual zone. And this is really simple. It's very user friendly, as you'll see. Also, this actual clip is for one of my subscribers, Mary Ellis. She asked me if I would actually do a clip showing you how you actually use real potatoes to make chips, or if you're in the States, fries. Absolutely, there is a flavour difference. I mean, these Ninja cooks frozen chips beautifully, and they're crisp and they're crunchy, but there is definitely a flavour difference when you use real potatoes, so give it a try, it's worth doing. Okay, right, let's see how dry they are. Yeah, I'm quite happy with those, so I'm just going to put them into another bowl, a dry bowl, just before I actually give them just a little coating of olive oil. It's not even a coating, it's just tossing them in olive oil, really. On this Ninja you have a max crisp button, so that if at the end of the time that we cook these, I look at them and I think, oh, I'd like them a little bit crispier, give it 2-3 minutes on max crisp to finish them off. I don't know if other air fryers have that. They probably do have that. So it's just worth noting. Right, as I said before, I'm going to actually just a little tiny drizzle of olive oil. That's it. That's as much as you need. There's probably half a tablespoonful at the most there. And then I'm going to put salt. Love sea salt. And then just capture the ones that escape. That's it. Just get a piece of kitchen roll on my hands. Give them another salt. And then they're going into the basket. So that's it. I'm not spraying the basket, doing nothing with the basket other than putting them in. We're going to have tonight with this, we're having full Waitrose southern fried chicken. So I told you Saturday night, shortcuts and everything. Right, I love Waitrose meat and their products. You can rely on them to serve up some nice quality stuff. Right, okay. And no, people often say to me, oh my God, they're so expensive. This was actually, as you can see, we've still got chicken left over. And this was in a deal 3 for £10. So, what, £3? £3.40 or something this would cost you. Far cheaper than Kentucky. and I know what's in it. Okay, let's turn this on now. So we've got chicken in one side, we've got the chips in here. So we go to air fry, and the temperature is 200 degrees. Time sets at 20. I'm actually going to leave that at 20. So then I'm going to basket 2. So 2. I'm going to go air fry again, 200 degrees, again at 20, and I'm going to sync them, which means they're going to cook in within the same time. Then I just press start, stop, and then you leave them there. Chips, give them 5 minutes, 7 minutes, give them a good shake. It's essential with chips, well, I found it essential with chips to give them a good shake. Keep going back to them, rattle them around, because then they turn over and you get good even crispiness on them and a good even browning on them. The chicken I will probably use, absolutely love these silicone tongs that my brother bought me. I will use the tongs and just turn it, because I don't want that lovely crispy coating coming off, so I'll turn them over halfway through the cooking. Also, you can stop it at any point and just have a look at them, which we will do. When I go to do a turn, we'll bring you back and let you see how they're cooking. See you soon. Okay, it's time we gave you a look, seeing how things are going. I have been out and given them a little shake. Chips, as you see, it comes to a stand stop. They're just starting to nicely get started the cooking. They need a good shake, actually. Give them a good shake back in, that will start. And the chicken, I'm just about to turn that, that's looking and smelling so good. Right, so I'm just turning that over. That's looking really nice. Okay, and both of them, when you put both your baskets back in, because it's in sync, that will continue cooking. And as you can see, I'm just getting our plates ready. Just quickly put together a couple of bowls for dipping your chips in and your chicken. And it's just good mayonnaise. I also use Hellman's and sweet chili sauce. Mix it together, presto. And of course, you know, the cook's got to have a glass of wine. Tonight, we're having, oh, it's one of my favourites, and it's not expensive, guys. La Cerisa, Pinot Grigio Rosay from Provence in France. Beautiful, as you can see, beautiful colour. You can drink this with anything. Your takeaways, it's great for a Saturday night. It's a light wine, it's really fresh. It's only 12.5%, so it's not going to give you a blinding headache. And better still, at the moment, Waitrose have it on offer for $5.99. It's normally about $7.99. Okay, enjoy. Okay, just stop this moment. Right, okay guys, so let's, first of all, first job, and beat thermometer. I'm just going to check the temperature of the chicken, because I do want to make sure that that's cooked enough for me. Yay, easy. Once you get to 170, you're ready to eat. Okay folks, so we know that's ready to eat. Right, chips. Okay, they've been shook, and this is our chips now. Yes, they don't look like chips fried in deep fat fryer, but these are healthy and taste every bit as good. So you know, to me they're just yummy. So let's get those served up. Oh god, they smell so good. I do still use frozen chips. When I'm in a tearing hurry, I have chips in the freezer. But when I do have time, these are my go-to. You can also use sweet potato. Another healthy option, do exactly the same thing. Actually, I'm telling a fib there. Sweet potato, you don't need to do the whole process of soaking them in water. They don't have the same starch levels. Oh, look at that. That looks so good. Drumstick. Right, okay, they're just ready to, these are very easy. Don't put them in a dishwasher, folks, so, right. You can, it says you can put them in the dishwasher, but there's a very clear warning that the pans will not last as long when you start putting them in the dishwasher. And quite honestly, it's warm soapy water, wash them out, job done. It's not a biggie. Let's turn that off. Okay, seasoning, so a little bit more. So, black pepper, love it. Let's put a little bit of that in the mayonnaise as well. Okay, if I can get one that's cool enough for me to try. Yeah. Oh my god. I can't tell you how good that is. Now, you can, if you make them thicker, they just take a little bit longer to cook. It's that simple. Try them, they're gorgeous. You'll love them. Bye.